Many homeowners believe creaking or sagging floors are part of owning a home. If your home has creaking or sagging floors, it usually means there's an issue with your home support system. Stay tuned to find out how Crawlspace Jacks work. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Over time, your home's floors can begin to sag, which can be for many different reasons. In this video, I'll discuss why you would need Crawlspace Jacks, how they work, and how long they last. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about your home's foundation repairs and waterproofing. Let's get started. Crawlspace Jacks address two different concerns. Number one, sagging floor joists, which are boards that span from the foundation to the main beam of your home. The second is if that main beam is actually sagging between its support columns. Generally, those support columns are concrete block or even poured concrete, and sometimes those can be overspanned, causing that wood beam to sag in between those. Crawlspace Jacks are steel posts that sit on precast footings that go up to your subfloor, whether that's your floor joist or your main beam going through the crawl space. These add additional supports to those beams or those floor joists where they have begun to sag or gotten weak over time. Like I said before, these are adjustable. Because wood has a memory, maybe as soon as you put those jacks in, that wood does not get back to completely level. So being adjustable, it allows you to do this slowly and over time. Like I said, Crawlspace Jacks are steel. So really the only thing that's going to prevent the Crawlspace Jack from lasting a very long time is water. So if your crawlspace is getting water or high density moisture, then you may have that jack rust out quickly and might only last a couple to 4 years. But if your crawl space is in good shape, it doesn't have water, these jacks should last longer than your home subfloor itself. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about Crawlspace Jacks for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.